Once you've paired your phone, touch Phone. Touch Recents to view and select a contact or number from the Recents list. Touch Contacts to search for a contact. You can select a contact by entering the name or by scrolling through the list. Select the desired contact. Touch Keypad to enter a known number. Touch the phone icon to dial the number. This changes to an end call icon during the call. Select this to end the call. When you receive a call, touch the phone icon to answer. To operate the phone using the steering wheel controls, press the Phone button to display your Recents list. Press again to dial the number. When you receive a call, press the Phone button to answer. To end the call, press the End Call button. To adjust the call volume, press the plus and minus buttons or rotate the volume control. To operate the phone using voice control, press the Voice button to start a voice session. Say or touch Phone to display a list of relevant commands. Wait for the tone to sound and then say or touch the required command. Press and hold to cancel a voice session. If during a call a second call comes in, you are notified via a message. If you accept the new call, the current call is put on hold. To swap back to the first caller, touch the swap icon or the contact's details. To end the current call, touch End Call. Touch Add Call and select the required contact or dial the number. Touch Merge to merge active calls into one conference call. You cannot deselect Merge. If one of the callers ends their call, all other callers remain active on the line. Touch to end the conference call. To access your voicemail, touch Options followed by Voicemail. Enter your voicemail number to set up the service. You are now able to listen to your voicemail messages.